Today, we're diving into the Andeli aluminum welder, specifically the TIG-250 ACDC model. This welding powerhouse is a game-changer for anyone working with aluminum, stainless steel, or thinner metals. Boasting a maximum output current of 180 amp and operating at 220 V, this machine is designed to impress. What sets the Andeli TIG-250 ACDC apart is its multifunctionality, supporting AC/DC TIG, Pulse TIG, and MMA welding. The LED screen interface provides a user-friendly experience, allowing for easy control of start and end amps, upslope, downslope, and fully adjustable pulse, AC balance, and AC frequency. The inclusion of the 2T4T modes adds a layer of versatility to cater to different welding needs. One of the standout features is the real 180 amp output current, thanks to the efficiency and reliability of multiple IGBT inverters. This not only enhances the welding performance but also significantly increases the duty cycle, making it a reliable workhorse for welding enthusiasts and professionals alike. The digital design of the Andeli TIG-250 ACDC ensures precision in welding. The package includes essential accessories like the grounding clamp, aluminum torch WP26, nozzle, collet, house clamp, tungsten pole, and a foot switch. The American standard plug makes it convenient for a wide range of users. In terms of welding performance, the AC/DC TIG welder is equipped to prevent material burning and minimize distortion, providing precise welding on aluminum and aluminum alloys. The machine's strong input capability will undoubtedly make you fall in love with the welding process. In conclusion, the Andeli aluminum welder TIG-250 ACDC is a breakthrough in welding technology. Its combination of power, precision, and versatility makes it a top choice for those seeking exceptional welding results. Whether you're a seasoned welder or just starting, this machine is sure to leave a lasting impression. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.